One of my favorite ways of creating a simple, elegant, and memorable logo is to use text. All you need is a very beautiful font, a graphics or a photo editor, and your imagination. Hi, I'm Mari Pfeiffer. I'm a copywriter and website designer, and I help coaches and consultants attract the people they most want to do business with and convert them into loyal customers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I took one font in two different ways and create a very simple and yet beautiful and memorable logo for a law firm. So let's take a look. There are a lot of great logos out there that just use text. New Balance, they make the athletic shoes, so every time you see this NB or you see the N right here, you know exactly what brand that is. Same with 3M, Science Applied to Life. I can't say it's the most exciting logo I've ever seen, but very distinctive, very memorable. We all know exactly who 3M is when we see those two figures together. Everlast, another one. They make the fitness apparel. They're most well known, I guess, for boxing and now some other sports, but that's just a text logo that's been shaped a certain way. We see it, we know exactly who it is. So can you create your own logo using text only and make it very distinctive, make it very memorable? And I think absolutely. So let's just imagine for a moment that we are, or you are, an attorney, and your name is Charlene Smith. Okay, this is just in Helvetica. I've enlarged it for screen purposes. And very simple. It's in Helvetica, not too exciting or memorable right here, but I think there are some ways we could take this name and really turn it into something very special. So let's just imagine that Charlene Smith is an attorney at law. She practices maybe healthcare law. And she wants something on all of her marketing collateral that really makes her stand out, that's distinctive, that's memorable, but also fits her style. So how do you start with that? Well, the way that I would start is this. I would first maybe look at her initials. So let's take a look at that. Again, C and S together in Helvetica, not very exciting. So somehow this is speaking to me, though. I'm thinking, well, how would I put that together? How can I make it very distinctive? Again, reminding myself that I want to put this on all sorts of marketing collateral. Well, I looked around on Google Fonts and I came up with this font first. It's Cinzel, Cinzel. It comes in 3 weights, regular, bold, and black. Black is its heaviest weight. And it's rather distinctive and almost authoritative too, I think. So I think it might be a good one for an attorney at law. It comes in all caps only, so it's really a display font. And it's not something you would use for the body font of your text or any other thing like a brochure or a promotional card, but it's a really nice, interesting font. So let's go ahead and look at how we would play around with this. Using just the initials, I took the heaviest weight of this font and I changed the spacing so that the letters are really bumping into each other. It creates this kind of interesting effect, I think. Very memorable, but it's just the first 2 letters. I'm sorry, it's just the first letters of her initials, so C and S. And then I added the law offices of Charlene Smith. All of this is also in Cinzel, except for the of, which I put in Baskerville italic, because we want to focus mostly on the law offices and Charlene Smith. And there you have it, a very simple way of taking text, of taking a font, playing around with it, seeing what works, and keeping the client's objectives in mind, which is to have something that's simple, elegant, and that's very memorable and distinct that can go on all of her marketing collateral wherever she uses it. All right, well, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell so that you'll know when my latest video has been uploaded. And as always, thank you very much for being here. I really appreciate it. I'll talk to you soon again in my next video.